Hook Midnight to 015. 80% of businesses will use AI tools by 2026. That's huge. AI is taking over. You need to know this. Stay ahead of the curve. Don't get left behind. Set up 015 to 1 o'clock. Big news, Anthropic delays AI model. Security concerns are real. But AI is still booming. In fact, it's growing fast. New tools emerge daily. We've got the top 10. These will change your business. Get ready to boost productivity and save time. We're about to dive into the world of AI, where the future is now. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's super powerful. Imagine you need to organize. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs. You can create notes, tasks, and projects, all in one place. No more switching apps. Notion has 20 million users. It's a game changer for your business and life. Try it now and see the difference. Jasper, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper generates high-quality content in just minutes. Imagine you need to write. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 a month. Worth every penny. For marketers and writers. You can create blog posts, ads, and more. All with Jasper. No more writer's block. Get started now and create content fast. Claude, 4 to 5:30. Claude is an AI-powered chatbot for customer support. It's super smart. Imagine you need to respond. Instead of 1 hour, Claude does it in 5 minutes. It's free to try. Perfect for businesses. You can automate support and focus on growth. Claude is easy to use and integrates with many apps. Try it now and see the results. ChatGPT, 5:30 to 6:30. ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI chatbot with 100 million users. It's free to use. Imagine you need to ask. Instead of searching, ChatGPT answers in seconds. It's perfect for everyone. You can ask anything, from science to history. ChatGPT has the answer. It's like having a genius in your pocket. Try it now and experience it. Canva, 6:30 to 7:30. Canva is a graphic design platform with 20 million users. It's free or $12.95 a month. Imagine you need to design. Instead of 3 hours, Canva does it in 30 minutes. It's perfect for creators. You can create logos, videos, and more. All with Canva. No design experience needed. Try it now and create stunning visuals. Zapier, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. We've got 5 more tools to go, but that's for next time. Zapier automates workflows with 1,000 plus integrations. It's $19.99 a month. Gamma is an AI-powered coding assistant. Descript is AI-powered audio editing software. $12 a month. 11 Labs is AI-powered voiceover software. Perplexity is an AI-powered research assistant. Free to try. These tools will change your life. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews. Comment link below. And I'll send you all affiliate links for free. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.